If you are still typing in long URLs to sideload apps onto your Fire Stick or Android TV, you are doing it the wrong way. Let me show you a brand new method. It is faster, cleaner, works on all streaming devices, and is absolutely free. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I'm going to show you one of the absolute fastest ways to share and sideload your favorite third-party applications without manual typing. To make this happen, we are going to use a free application called FireWire. It does not require any registration. It allows you to seamlessly send files from your phone to your streaming device, device to device, or even back to your PC. You can download FireWire directly from the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you open FireWire on your phone, scroll down and look for the option to create a room. Select the 24-hour room and click Start Now. The app will generate a unique room code at the top of your screen. This code connects your devices. Now tap the button that says Click here to share files with your device. Select any APK file you have downloaded on your phone. The app will upload it directly to your room in just a couple of seconds. You can repeat this process to add as many apps as you want. Next, turn on your Fire Stick or Android TV and open the FireWire app. Click on Join a Room on the left sidebar. Enter the exact room code displayed on your phone and click Next. Your streaming device will instantly join the room. You will see all your uploaded files right on the screen. Just use your remote control to click on the app you want, download it, and install it instantly. You can also use this to back up apps that are already installed on your phone. Inside the same room on your phone, click on Share Installed Apps. Select the application you want to transfer. FireWire will automatically convert it into an APK and upload it to your room. Now, go to your secondary streaming device, enter the same code, and you can download that application right away. The best part is that this method is completely cross-platform. If you are on a random device like an iPhone or a laptop, you do not even need to install the application. Simply open any web browser and go to firewire.download. Click on Rooms, select Join Room, and enter your code. You will have instant access to your files directly from the browser. To ensure all your third-party apps run smoothly and securely without any network restrictions, make sure to use NordVPN.